If you don't like using Gemini to control your smart home, Google is letting you roll back to the OG AI assistant. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. From giving inaccurate weather forecasts to just keeping to fail at the most basic tasks, there are a lot of reasons to get rid of Gemini, and here is just how you do it. First of all, go to Settings and open the Apps menu. Find the Assistant option, then scroll down to the Digital Assistants from Google section. On this screen, you can choose which digital assistant you want to use. Pick Google Assistant instead of Gemini, confirm the switch, and you're done. And if your phone has its own branded Android skin, such as Samsung's One UI, Xiaomi's Hyper OS, or Oppo's Color OS, you may not find the same options in your menu. But you can try opening the Google app on your phone. Tap on your Google profile photo at the top right corner of the screen, open the Settings menu from there, then tap the Google Assistant option. Scroll down until you find the Digital Assistants from Google section and tap on it. From the screen, you'll be able to choose between Gemini and Google Assistant. If you want to see less of Gemini in more places, there are ways how you can de-Gemini your Google apps so the AI assistant doesn't pop up in Sheets or Docs to distract you while you work. However, one should keep in mind that by blocking out Gemini, they might lose some features from your workspace apps. And if you want to see less Gemini-powered results in your web searches, you can also turn off Google's AI overviews now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.